Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to another TEDx video. My name is Umar Education Wada and today's TEDx topic is Use Data to Build Better Schools by Andreas. In this talk, the speaker explains how data can be a powerful tool to improve education systems around the world. He introduces the idea that instead of relying only on tradition or expectations, we should look at real evidence. Test results and student outcomes, trends to understand what works in education and what doesn't. He describes a global assessment called PISA, which evaluates the knowledge and skills of 15-year-old students across countries. Through PISA data, countries can compare performance, find weaknesses, and learn from high performing education systems. He argues that good education policy must be built on data driven decisions. Data helps to identify gaps not just in academic achievement but in equity, teaching quality, and student support. He explains that spending more money does not automatically guarantee better results, what matters is how effectively resources are used. High performing systems are those that value teachers, maintain high expectations, use teaching methods that foster deep understanding, and support every student regardless of background. Another important point, data makes education transparent. When communities, policymakers, and educators have access to real information, they can make informed decisions, whether that's reforming curriculum, investing in teacher training, or adjusting teaching techniques. Transparency helps hold systems accountable and ensures that educational reforms are meaningful. He emphasizes that education is not just about passing subjects, it's about preparing students with skills and knowledge that matter in real life. Finally, he calls for global cooperation and continuous improvement because PISA and similar assessments compare many countries, nations that lag behind have a chance to learn from those doing well. This kind of benchmarking drives competition not just for rankings but for better quality education worldwide. Every country, regardless of wealth, can benefit by adopting data driven reforms and ensuring equity and high standards for all students. I hope this summary helped you get the clear idea of the TEDx talk, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.